The especially current exchanging volume of torrential slide generally is at $85,731,754, which sort of is genuinely huge. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which in every practical sense is very critical. Avax United States dollar medium-term support in every way that really matters remained at $13.68 in an extremely significant way. Torrential slides EMA10, all things considered, shows a sort of descending pattern, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. 24 September 2023, in this video we will really walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, especially as Avax a by and large wise venture, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Avax specialized examination, most certainly let us sort of discuss the extremely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,043,861,656,281. So torrential slides EMA10 generally shows a fundamentally descending pattern, or so they basically thought. The kind of absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $17,771,514,007, which really is very huge. Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15% in a genuinely significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value diminishing of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, sort of additional appearance how torrential slide support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time span, exhibiting how torrential slide support and opposition levels and so forth, which basically is very huge. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP explicitly, is somewhere near 1.24 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time span, exhibiting how torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so forth in a sort of enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an especially huge way. These occasions explicitly show that the market certainly is going in a very descending bearing for most certainly present moment, which certainly is very critical. As of now, an especially broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part shows that 24 September 2023. In this video, we will essentially walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What essentially is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, for the most part is Avax an essentially wise speculation, or so they by and large thought. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, so various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value lessening of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours. Exceptionally further appearance how torrential slide support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers generally become essentially more truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exhibiting that XRP, the very local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 1.24 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time period, exhibiting how torrential slide support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors basically become move pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that the genuinely all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $17,771,514,007 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Following are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax torrential slide execution. The ongoing torrential slide cost really is $8.79, with an exchanging volume of $85,731,754 in the very beyond 24 hours, showing how similarly opposition explicitly is a level at which dealers especially become move pretty dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that the truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $17,771,514,007 in a very huge manner. Right now, Avax explicitly is somewhere around 1.24% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $3,111,749,823 United States dollars, so torrential slides EMA10 shows a sort of descending pattern, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost investigation for 24 September 2023, inside a for the most part everyday time period, made sense of underneath, additional appearance, how XRP the local coin of XRP truly is somewhere near 1.24 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96. Following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time period, exhibiting how torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, which is genuinely critical. We utilize relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal assembly and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving most certainly normal, EMA, to especially examine the future development of the torrential slide, or so they certainly thought. While Avax's Williams %R marker truly is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange fundamentally signal truly is somewhat conceivable at this reach in a huge manner. The Avax United States dollar moving pretty normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer by and large, is showing a very present moment generally sell fundamentally signal, as the MACD line for the most part is moving beneath truly signal line which explicitly implies, for the most part bears truly are overwhelming on the lookout. Exhibiting how yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the Avax specialized investigation, fundamentally let us basically discuss the really current economic situations, which basically is very huge.